amazing features of YouTube which you have never thought it would be in YouTube. So some people use YouTube as it is. It has so many things in YouTube. If you type here, so YouTube has many things. There are many hidden features. No, it's not hidden. Probably there are features, and I feel sad about the death of Sir Sushant Singh Rajput. So we begin in this video. So first feature. So you can see this is the very normal feature everybody know about it. So let's start with this. I am telling about this feature, so some people don't knew about it because if you scroll down the video you can see the mini video. Yep, if you are scrolling down the video there are many videos. You have to scroll it down, scroll down, and suddenly if you want to come to the top of the video, so many of you will scroll the video. So you got a home option. If you scrolling it down, you can press home and it will go very up. So this was the first feature which everybody, most maximum people knew about it. So let's go to the second feature in which let's talk about the videos which you are exploring. So these are the videos. You can see the difference between this video and in your YouTube video. So I have made the video in a Saudi Arabia, in which in Saudi Arabia the videos are trending is displayed right now. How you can do this? For example, you just have to go to settings and take the journal and add your location. There are many places where you can go into there and check out which is the trending video of their place. So example, I have said Saudi Arabia. Now I am going back to my home country, India. So let's see what changes we have taken about it. So we are looking, so we are back to India, and you can see the videos which are trending in India right now. So this was a feature you can see. So let's talk about the third feature is about the search option. Search option is where there are, if you search anything on the YouTube, it will be a search. Yep. And if you watch any video, there are watch history. Yep, there are watch history. You can see that there are a watch history. So if you think that you don't need this feature, you can remove this feature. Simply you should go to settings, general, and yeah, you ignore it, incognito. So this is a feature where you are full. For example, if I search WWE, yeah, you can see that where your YouTube history is not recorded. Okay, where you can see this is a incognito mode. So this was a feature which I would like to. So you can see all the history has been disappeared. So you can see. Okay friends, let's turn back to the next feature means if you're going to work or have some busy schedule on your day and you think that YouTube notification should come on that time when you are free. So there is a simple way you can do it. There you should go to your settings, general, and you can see, not this one, there is one like where I can show you. Yeah, wait a minute. Notification. Yeah, this is the notification, so you can see what time you should get all the notifications. If you set 6 a.m. you will get all the notifications. So you have subscribed many channels, right? You can get all the notification on that time, you can never miss it, and you will not disturb in your work time or any study time or anything else. So the next feature I would like to say, this is the next feature where if you think that this channel is not required for you, you should press don't recommend channel. From that one onwards you will not be sure any videos from that channel. Okay, this was another feature which YouTube has been where you can use. So this is a feature, so I just want to see. So yeah, this is the another feature where your search history, watch history will always be clear. For example, if I clear my search history, yep, I have cleared my search history, where you can clear your watch history also. If you pause search history, your searches will be not recorded in YouTube. For example, as earlier I showed you, I have searched many videos, so you can see there are no videos right now. So this was another feature which may be helpful to other people. So this is the last feature I would like to say. Okay, I think many people children are using their YouTube. So in YouTube there are some videos which are not good for children, so you can use the restricted mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. So this is very specifically which should be used for children. Okay, and that's all. Have a great day. जय हिंद, नमस्ते. ख्याल रखिए अपने आप का, और हमेशा अपना मन को स्वस्थ रखिए. Keep your mind always fresh. See you later. And if you like this video, like it. If you express your feelings towards this video, then comment it. If you are a new member who is watching this video, then subscribe it. Damn. Oh yeah.